Hello, my crafty friends. I'm here to do an unboxing. This one is for Craspire, and they have a website, and they sent me some items to do an unboxing, to show you the items, to do a review, and we will be doing some crafting with the items as well so that we can see how they work in our art projects. So I will be listing Craspire's website address in the description box below. There will also be links to the products that they sent me, so you can check those out on their website. And they also gave me a Periwinkle 5. The code is Periwinkle 5. And you will receive $5 off on a purchase over $40. So that's Periwinkle with a capital P 5. And so let's do the unboxing. This will be a quick video, and shortly I'll be doing some project videos using these. So this is a thank you stamp. I do have my laptop next to me here so I can see. The wax seal stamp is $5.99. It says thank you, and it's an oval. Very nice. So we'll be using that to see how that stamps. And then the next one they sent me, looking on my laptop here, is a plant border rectangle wax seal. And this one was $9.29. I think it's going to be really pretty. So we'll be using that one to see how that looks. And then they sent me a rotating flower wax seal stamp for $5.99. This one's really pretty. They have really nice stamps. Can't wait to use them. And then I think all of these are Christmas. So then I received a 6-piece Christmas seal wax stamp kit. And I'm not sure what the price is, but I'll have the link below so that you can see all the details of that one and the price and everything. When you go to their website, you can check it out on their website with the link that I'll put us in the description box below. So this one is like Christmas trees. Very nice. And this one says Merry Christmas. This one looks like part of a Christmas tree branch with some Christmas decorations. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. I like this one. We'll have some nice Christmas wax seal stamps for next year. Can't wait. A snowflake. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. Pretty. That'll be nice for winter journals and winter ephemera. Not just Christmas. This one's cute. It's Santa Claus with Christmas tree. We'll be able to see more detail when we use it. And then this one This one is a Christmas tree with gingerbread men. Very cute. Yeah, so very nice wax seals. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. So we'll be playing with 9 of them in an upcoming video. So do check out the information with all the links below. And until the next video, stay safe, be well, and all that good stuff. Bye-bye, friends.